You'll have love at first sight with the 2020 GMC Canyon. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a well-built Canyon that's right-sized to fit perfectly into your modern lifestyle. Its quiet, well-equipped cabin offers the space, connectivity, and storage you want, while its impressive cargo bed and towing ability give you the utility you need. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, fog lamps, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, wheel locks. Don't miss the chance to drive this remarkably agile Canyon. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.